Welcome in Giza Information Technology Academy. Welcome back to lesson number 10 in MTA 375 of Web Design course. Forms and input. Form input is the information a user enters into fields in a web or client application form. HTML5 introduces several new form and input element attributes. Some are URL for entering a single web address, email for a single email address or a list of email addresses, search to prompt users to enter text they want to search for. Creating a form. Use the form start and end tags. All form content and fields are between form tags. Common syntax. Form ID equal keyword. Content and fields. Form. Creating a form, continued. The field set element is used with many forms to group related elements. The field set tag draws a box around individual elements and or around the entire form. Form with field set example. Simple form example. Form required and email attributes. The required attribute requires information in a field when the form is submitted. The email attribute requires the user to enter an email address. Markup example. Input type equals to email required / required example. Form placeholder attribute. Placeholder text is text displayed inside an input field when the field is empty. It helps users understand the type of information they should enter or select. When you click on or tab to the input field and start typing, the newly entered text replaces the placeholder text. Markup example. Input name equals to fname placeholder equals to first name / Form pattern attribute. The pattern attribute provides a format, a regular expression, for an input field, which is used to validate whatever is entered into the field. Markup example. Input type equal text ID equals to EMP-ID name equals to employee ID required pattern equals to A to Z 20 to 94. Title equals to employee ID is 2 capital letters followed by 4 digits. Form pattern attribute, continued. You can use the pattern attribute with these input types: text, search, URL, telephone, email, password. Form autofocus attribute. The autofocus attribute moves the focus to a particular input field when a web page loads. Markup example. Input type equal text name equal fname. Autofocus equal autofocus / Validation. The process of verifying that information entered or captured in a form is in the correct format and usable before sending the data to the server. Some things verified during validation. Required fields are empty. Email addresses are valid. Dates are valid. Text does not appear in a numeric field or vice versa. Validation, continued. Automatic validation of input means the browser checks the data the user inputs. Also referred to as client-side validation. Server-side validation occurs when server validates data received from an input form. Validation example.